Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette, and here on our channel we talk about makeup, beauty, health, and everything in between. So if you believe this is the right channel for you, which I'm sure it is, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the support and the encouragement. And of course, for all the new subscribers, don't forget to leave me any videos that you want to see in a comment down below. I am collaborating with the lovely Miss Jasmin Kiefer. Make sure you go check her channel out. I'll link it in the cards right here, and I will show you a picture right here. Make sure you go check her video out after you watch this video. Tell her I said hi and show her some support. Today's video is a bum to baddie get ready with me. So you guys are gonna see me go from this to this. Keep on watching. Okay, now let's do this face. I already primed with my, hold on, what is it? Milani Prime Perfection Face Primer, hydrating and pore minimizing. It's oil free. So now I'm going to use my foundation. I'll list all the products right here as I am using them. So for foundation, I'm using the Revlon Full Cover Color Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I love this Revlon foundation. It's one of my favorites. My skin has been pretty good, so I haven't really had to color correct too much, so that's good. I'm also gonna probably speed up some parts since you all know how to put on foundation, you all know how to put on concealer, that whole bit, and you'll see me do it also while I'm speeding it up. So there. Now for concealer. I use two different concealers. I use this Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer and the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. I use the Smashbox one underneath my eyes. Sorry, I use the Smashbox one on top of my eyes, and I use the Makeup Forever one underneath my eyes. I find that the Makeup Forever one, I don't really like how it primes my lid for some reason, but that's why I use the other one on top. Oops. There we go. See, I got some on my nose. It's alright, it's all gonna blend the same way. What is your favorite concealer and foundation if you have? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always on the hunt for new ones, and I love to know what you guys love to use. So let me know in the comment section down below. Now I'm gonna blend this concealer out with a damp sponge. The sponge is still pretty damp, so that's good. I wet it just a couple of minutes ago. Then I like to take my ring finger and pat over my eye, because sometimes, like with a big sponge, it's hard to really get like in little crevices, like this area right here, and sometimes really close under the eye, so I usually like to use my finger to make sure everything is nice and blended. What is that? Concealer is my favorite because it makes you look less like a zombie. And you're like, oh, I'm awake. I'm alive. All right. Now to set my face, I'm going to use 2 powders. The first one is this Coty Airspun. It's one of my favorites. You have to pour it out like this. Okay. And then I'm going to use that to set under my eyes and everywhere else. Sometimes I bake under my eyes, but sometimes I don't. Like, it's like an everyday look, which is what I'm doing. Like, I don't have time to bake. So I just put the powder on, make sure it goes everywhere, and then that's pretty much it for me. So it's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Deep. Ooh, that was too much. Just need a little bit. I'm just gonna quickly dust this over my face. And that is pretty much it for me with this powder. Child, I don't want to spill. Now for my brows, I'm gonna do those off camera because they take me 50 years to do. If you guys want an updated brow routine, of course, since I do my brows a little bit differently now, let me know in the comment section down below. I have no problem getting a video for you guys if you want that. So let me know, and I'm gonna do my brows and be right back. Brows done. Now I feel like a real person. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using the Bad Habit Inferno palette. I put a picture up on my Instagram before. You guys know how much I love this palette. If you don't know how much I love this palette, trust me, I love this palette. It's one of my favorite palettes. Especially if I'm doing a natural look, I just use one color. It's called Warmth. It's this color right here. This color right here. I love this color. I just use this Morphe M441 brush and put it in my crease and a little above my crease like that. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Same on the other side. It's a nice like transition or skin tone color for me, and it really makes these lenses pop. By the way, I'm wearing the Siesta Black Edition creamy brown lenses. These are my favorite everyday for a natural looking lens for me. Then I grab my finger and I just put the rest on top of my eyelid. There, and then I'm gonna put a little bit underneath. And that's it. Now I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. I'm gonna do liner, lashes, and then I will be right back. So this is how the eyes look up close with liner and lashes. Now let me zoom you guys back out, put on my lips, and we're all done. For lips, I'm going to be using the NYX lip cream in the color Skin Tone. This is my favorite everyday nudish lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you go over to Jasmin's channel, say hi to her, show us some support, and of course tell her I said hi, that I sent you guys. Don't forget to watch her video, and of course let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, click the bell notification, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!